Ever heard the name Lloyds and wondered what exactly they do? It's a name that pops up in finance, insurance, even history books, but it's not always immediately clear what it all entails. Stick around, because in the next few minutes, we're going to unravel the fascinating story of what Lloyds is really known for. To understand Lloyds today, you have to journey back a few centuries to a humble coffee house in London, owned by Edward Lloyd. This wasn't just any coffee shop, it became a meeting place for shipowners, merchants, and underwriters, the people who would assess and take on the risk of insuring voyages. Imagine the scene: lively discussions over steaming cups, deals being struck with a handshake, and the foundation of a global institution being laid, one maritime risk at a time. This brings us to the first major thing Lloyds is known for: its pivotal role in the history of modern insurance. They weren't the first to dabble in insurance, but the way they formalized the process, bringing together individuals with capital to back ventures, was revolutionary. This system allowed for the insurance of increasingly complex and large-scale risks, fueling global trade and exploration. Think of the ships braving unknown waters, the burgeoning industries. Lloyds was often the backbone, providing the financial safety net. But Lloyds isn't just a historical relic. It's a vibrant, dynamic marketplace still at the forefront of global insurance. This is the second key aspect of their identity. Unlike traditional insurance companies, Lloyds operates as a market where multiple independent businesses, known as syndicates, come together to underwrite insurance and reinsurance risks. Each syndicate specializes in different types of risk, from natural disasters and aviation to cyber attacks and even the more unusual, niche areas. This unique structure allows for incredible diversification and the capacity to handle truly massive and complex risks that a single company might struggle with. Think of it like a bustling souk, but instead of spices and silks, the commodity is risk. Brokers representing clients come to Lloyds to find the best combination of syndicates to cover their specific needs. This creates a competitive environment that fosters innovation and expertise. If you have a particularly unusual or challenging risk to insure, chances are the Lloyds market has seen something similar and has the expertise to handle it. Beyond the sheer volume and variety of risks they cover, Lloyds is also known for its specialist expertise. Because of the syndicate structure, you have pockets of deep knowledge concentrated in specific areas. Whether it's insuring a fleet of oil tankers, a Hollywood blockbuster, or a satellite launch, there are syndicates at Lloyds with a profound understanding of the intricacies involved. This specialization translates to more accurate risk assessment and tailored insurance solutions. Finally, Lloyds has a long-standing reputation for innovation and adapting to emerging risks. Just as they were instrumental in the development of maritime insurance centuries ago, they continue to evolve to address the challenges of today and tomorrow. From climate change and pandemics to technological disruptions and geopolitical instability, the Lloyds market is constantly analyzing, understanding, and developing insurance products to mitigate these new and evolving threats. They are often at the cutting edge, pioneering new forms of insurance that eventually become mainstream. So, from its humble beginnings in a London coffee house to its current status as a global hub for specialist insurance, Lloyds is known for its historical significance in shaping modern insurance, its unique marketplace structure, its deep specialist expertise, and its ongoing commitment to innovation in the face of ever-changing risks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.